In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use Google Drive and Google Docs to upload a PDF and add your signature to it. We're going to walk through each step so you can confidently handle PDFs in Google Workspace. For this things first, let's start by heading over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account with your Google credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want your PDF stored. If you don't have an account, creating one is free and only takes a few minutes. Now that you're in Google Drive, look for the New button, usually located on the top left corner of your screen. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. To upload your PDF, simply choose the option labeled File Upload. This will allow you to browse through your computer files. Find the PDF you want to work on, select it, and click Open. You'll see a small window displaying the upload progress in the bottom right corner of your Drive screen. With your PDF successfully uploaded, locate it in your Drive. Right-click on the file to bring up a context menu. Here, hover the cursor over the Open With option, and a list of applications will appear. Choose Google Docs. What's happening now is Google Docs is converting your PDF into an editable document format. Isn't technology amazing? Once your PDF is open in Google Docs to add a signature, focus your gaze on the menu bar at the top and click Insert. From the drop-down that appears, you'll want to pick Drawing and then select New. Doing so will open a canvas for you to work on. You're almost there. In the new drawing window, click on the Line Tool drop-down icon. Selecting Scribble will allow you to use your mouse or trackpad to freehand draw your signature. Feel free to take your time here to get it just right. Once you're satisfied with your signature, hit Save and Close, and voila. Your signature will pop into the document just like that. At this point, it might appear too large or not quite where you want it. That's perfectly okay. You can easily resize the signature by clicking and dragging the edges of the box around it. To move it, click and drag the entire box to the designated signature area within your document. And that's it. You've now successfully uploaded a PDF, edited it, and inserted a signature using Google Drive and Google Docs. This method is incredibly handy for anyone needing to sign documents or make quick edits on the go. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you found value in today's video. Happy editing!